Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Small Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Our topic for today is understanding climate change, what it means, and why it matters. This is quarter 3 about biology for grade 11 general science. Again, this is quarter 3 biology lesson 8, understanding climate change, what it means, and why it matters. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this topic, the learners should be able to A. Define climate change and differentiate it from weather. Identify the primary causes of human-induced climate change, particularly the role of greenhouse gases. Analyze the major effects of climate change on Earth's ecosystems and human societies. Explain how climate change can be measured using scientific data and evidence. Evaluate various solutions and actions that individuals, communities, and governments can take to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Defining the terms weather versus climate. To understand climate change, it's essential to distinguish between weather and climate. Weather is what you experience on a daily basis. Is it sunny, rainy, hot, or cold today? It's a short-term, localized phenomenon. Climate, on the other hand, is the long-term average of weather patterns in a specific region or across the globe, usually measured over at least 30 years. Think of it this way. Weather is your mood on any given day, while climate is your personality over your lifetime. Climate change is a significant and lasting change in the average weather patterns of the Earth. While Earth's climate has naturally shifted over geological history, the term climate change today almost always refers to the accelerated human-caused warming trend that has been observed since the late 19th century. The science of climate change. The Earth's atmosphere naturally contains gases that trap heat from the sun, a process called the greenhouse effect. These gases, known as the greenhouse gases, act like a blanket, keeping our planet warm enough to support life. The main natural greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. However, since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have drastically increased the concentration of these gases in the atmosphere, thickening the blanket and causing the Earth's average temperature to rise. The primary human activity responsible for this is the burning of fossil fuels, the coal, the oil, and natural gas for energy, transportation, and industry. Other major contributors include deforestation, agriculture, and certain industrial processes. Key causes of climate change. Letter A. Fossil fuel combustion. The burning of fossil fuels releases vast amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This is the single largest contributor to human-caused climate change. Deforestation. Forests acts as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. When forests are cut down or burned, they release the stored carbon, and we lose their ability to absorb future emissions. Agriculture and livestock. Agricultural activities, particularly livestock farming, are a major source of methane and nitrous oxide, both potent greenhouse gases. The impacts of a warming world. The effects of climate change are already evident and are expected to become more severe. They aren't limited to just hotter temperatures. They impact virtually every aspect of the planet. Rising temperatures. The most obvious effect is the increase in global average temperatures, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves. Extreme weather events. Climate change is fueling more severe storms, droughts, floods, and wildfires. A warmer atmosphere, holds more moisture, leading to more extreme rainfall, while also causing more rapid evaporation from soils, contributing to droughts. Sea level rise. As global temperature rise, glaciers and ice sheets melt, and the ocean expands as it warms. This causes sea levels to rise, threatening coastal cities and low-lying island nations. Ecosystem disruption. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns disrupt habitats, leading to the loss of biodiversity and threatening the survival of many plant and animal species. Coral reefs, for instance, are highly vulnerable to warming and acidifying oceans. Addressing the challenge, mitigation, and adaptation. Confronting climate change requires a two-pronged approach: mitigation and adaptation. Mitigation involves reducing the flow of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere to slow down the rate of warming. This includes transitioning from fossil fuels to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, improving energy efficiency, and protecting forests. Adaptation involves adjusting to the current and future effects of climate change. This could mean building sea walls to protect against rising seas, developing drought-resistant crops, and creating early warning systems for extreme weather events. Climate change is a complex global issue, but understanding its causes and effects is the first step toward effective action. By embracing sustainable practices and demanding change at local, national, and international levels, we can work toward a more stable and resilient future. This is our second intended learning outcomes. By the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to A. Define the term climate change in scientific and environmental contexts. Differentiate between climate and weather. Identify the primary causes of climate change, both natural and human-induced. Explain the major effects of climate change on ecosystems, weather patterns, and human societies. We will have the next part of this Quarter 3 Biology Lesson 8.